Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a crypto research tool with Messari, full guide step by step clearly. To build a crypto research tool with Messari, first, gather the necessary resources. Visit the Messari website to explore their platform and services. Create an account to access their API. Familiarize yourself with the API documentation provided by Messari. Select a programming language that you are comfortable with. For this project, Python is highly recommended due to its simplicity and extensive libraries. Install the required libraries, including requests and pandas. Set up your development environment by creating a new project folder. Use a text editor or an integrated development environment, such as Pycharm or Visual Studio Code. Start by importing the necessary libraries in your Python script. Make your first API call to fetch data from Messari. Use the endpoint for the specific data you are interested in, such as asset information or market data. Store the JSON response in a variable for further analysis. Parse the JSON data to extract relevant information. Organize the data into a structured format using pandas data frames. Visualize the data using charts or graphs to gain insights. Ensure that you handle any errors or exceptions that may occur during the API calls. Implement caching mechanisms to optimize data retrieval. Consider adding features such as search functionalities or filters to enhance user experience. Test your research tool with different cryptocurrencies to ensure its accuracy. Refine the user interface if you choose to build a graphical front end. Finally, document your code and research findings for future reference. Now you have a fully functional crypto research tool using Messari. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.